Hi kids, welcome back to the another session. In this session, we will do plus 7's formula. Okay, what is the formula of plus 7? Big friends only, obviously. Plus God minus friend. Plus 10 minus 3. God is 10, friend is 3. So, how can I solve those questions on Abacus? I have 8 with me, for example. Okay, and I have to add a 7. What did I just tell you? Add God less friend. Add 10 less 3. My answer is 15 now. Okay, let's look at some more. Add 9, add 7. Add 10, less 3. Add God, less friend, 16. Okay, let's do some mixed questions. Okay, add 7, add 2, less 5, add 4. Now for add 4, I'm applying small friends. Add 5, less 1. Then add 5, big friends. Now add 7. Add God, less friend. Got it? Rewatch the video. Rewatch this thing if you didn't understand. Okay, and go through the formulas. You will understand. Okay. So that's it for plus 7. I'll see you in the next video with plus 8. Okay. Bye bye. If you have any doubts, drop in the comment section.